Good day, everyone. Today we're going to be learning on how to cast and convert using JavaScript. So let's say we name a variable here. We'll say this variable is my number. But we put the number as a string. Let's say the number is string will be 45. 45. Let's just print that on the document. Right. Let's have my number here. My number, let's add 5. So the goal is to add 45 plus 5. Let's see what's happening. That's 455. 45 plus 5 cannot be 455. But what JavaScript is doing here is doing what we call concatenation. Because this is a string and this is an integer, the string will just take the integer next to it and it will print it out. Other languages you'll get an error using this, but in JavaScript you can concatenate it. But let's try to convert this string into becoming a number. We can do that by here writing number. Let's write number there. Control S, refresh. We get 50 now. So it's adding the 45 to the 50. 45 to the 50. We can even pass the my number into becoming an integer. So document write. You can even convert it by saying pass me an integer. And options there. My number. Pass my number as an integer, and I want you to add it to 10 after that. Control S. Okay, let's write that on the next line. We have 55. So this here is saying, take my number, pass it as an integer, add it to 10, then print it out as 55. We can even convert floating point numbers. So floating point numbers are what we call as decimal numbers. Let's try writing that on a new line. Let's say document. Let's name a variable. Let's say variable. I would say this variable is my decimal. My decimal is 23.5. And then down here, let me try to add document. Let's have my decimal. Let's have my decimal. Let's add it 100 onto it. Let's Control S. So we have my decimal. Oh wait, my decimal is a floating point. Let me do it 23.5. Let me write it as a string. Control S. Yeah, now it's in concatenation. It just takes the 23.5 and concatenate 100 next to it. But I want to pass this as a floating number. I can do that by saying here pass. Okay, this is pass a float. Pass float. Control save that. Flash. So now it has added 123.5. So that's how we can convert strings into numbers. We can use number, we can use pass int, we can use pass float to convert decimal, pass int to convert it to integers, or number to convert the string into a number.